Hello guys, welcome to Python for data analysis. In this video, we'll be talking about data types in Python, and we'll get to understand what are different data types in Python and how to work with them effectively. And we'll also explore the syntax of each data types in Python. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this video.
9 to 5 data.
In Python, every value has a data type, which defines the kind of data it represents and the operations that can be performed on it. So Python supports various built-in data types, including integers, float, strings, booleans, and some special data types like list, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. So we'll go through some of them to illustrate how each of them work. Integers. These are whole numbers which can be positive or negative or without any decimal point. For example, we can have 5, -5, or 0. So let's move to the next one, which is float. Floats, they are numbers that have decimal point. For example, 3.14 or -0.5 or 2.71828. The next one is strings. So they are sequence of characters that enclose in either single or double quotes or in triple quotes. For example, we have hello world, which is in single quotes, and we have John, which is in double quotes, and we have 567, which is in triple quotes. That's an example of string because it is in quotation. So if it's without quotation, it would have been an integer. So the next one on the list is Booleans, which represents truth values. It can be true or false. And the next one we want to talk about are the special data types, which are known as sometimes data structures. And the first one we're going to talk about is list. Lists are ordered collections of items in square brackets. They are mutable, meaning that the element can be changed after creation and can be of different data types. Examples are true, caret, 10, 2.71. So if you look at this, there are different data types all enclosed in square bracket. True is a data type of Boolean. Caret has a data type of string. 10 has a data type of integer, and 2.71 has a data type of float. So another example is John, Thomas, Yusuf. So all these are of the same data type. So that's an example of list. So we move to the next one, which is tuple. Tuples are similar to list, but they are always in round brackets and they are immutable, meaning that their elements cannot be changed after creation. Examples are apple, banana, orange. So all these are string. So once these are created, they cannot be changed. Another example is John, 25, true. This second example consists of elements with different data type. The next on the list of special data types or data structure is dictionaries. Dictionaries are a collection of key value pairs where each key is associated with a value and they are always wrapped in curly brackets. So the keys are unique and also immutable. And most of the time the keys are usually string, but they can be other immutable types too, like integers or tuples. So for example, let's take a look at the data structure dictionary. We have key and value pair. This is the syntax, that is the key and followed by a colon, which also followed by the value. So they're kind of associated together. We associate the value to the key. So an example is name, John. So age 25, grade A. So the data type still follows, and most of the time the keys are always in string or they are always of string data type. For example, if you look at this, the name, which is the key here, is of string data type. Also age is of string data type and grade is of string data type. And the last on the list here that we're going to check is set. Set, they are unique and they are unordered. So duplicates are not allowed in the element of set. and they are also mutable, meaning you can add or remove to the element. So sets are always unique, and also they are entirely enclosed in a curly brace or in a curly bracket, just like dictionary, but they are not key value pairs like dictionary. For example, we have element 1, 2, 3, like apple, banana, orange. So that is all about data types in Python, and we've talked about the special data types, which are also known as data structure. In upcoming lectures, we'll dive deeper into Python's operators and how to use them with different data types. See you there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and put your question in the comment box.